Hello. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Synology DS718 Plus NAS. I have some other videos on Synology. I have unboxing and setup of a Synology 918 Plus NAS. This is going to be a lot similar to that. I'll put a link in the description to my playlist. Also, if this video is helpful to you and you end up buying one of these, I'll put a link in the description to this on Amazon using my affiliate link, and if you buy it, it helps me out a little bit, and I really appreciate that. It helps me a lot. So to get started, this is the Synology 718 Plus. This is a 2-drive NAS. If you look at the diagram here, it says a status indicator, LAN indicator, copy button. So the 918 Plus does not have the copy button. USB 3.0 port, power button, fan, that's on the front. On the back you have a dual LAN ports, power port, reset button, a USB 3.0 port, Kensington security slot, and an eSATA port. And this will work with 3.5 inch and 2.5 inch drives. You can have USB 3.0 and eSATA, 2 gigabit LAN ports. It has 2 LAN cables, power adapter, quad core CPU, 4K transcoding, dual LAN, and expandable storage and RAM. So let's get this opened. So there's a C2 backup free trial. That's a cloud backup. Let's pull this out first. And there's the NAS device. Here's the back, the ports, power cord, LAN cable, power adapter, another LAN cable. Here's the key, the quick installation guide, and screws. That's everything in the box. So I'm going to read through this real quick. Okay, so I'll pull one of these drive bays out here. Like that. Here we go. So these are toolless if you're using a 3.5 inch drive. If you're using a 2.5 inch drive, you attach it to these screw holes here. Let's see if we can get inside here. You can see there's one slot for RAM. And I have a 4 gigabyte module from my 918 I'll put in here. But I also have some 8 gigabyte modules. It says it supports 4 gig in here. We'll see if it also works with 8 gig. Oh, and then here's the other module. So I'll probably do another video on if this works with 9 gigabytes, if we can get to that in there. That's looks like it's in there pretty good, so I don't know how accessible that will be. I think that's about it here. You can see the fan back there. So it's a pretty small little board here. And I'm going to be putting these Seagate 6 terabyte Iron Wolf drives. I'll put a link to these in the description also. And these are a 7200 RPM hard drive. So we'll see how those go in. We'll pull these side pieces off here. We'll set the drive in place, and I'm lining up the holes in the drive on the side. Okay, now I should be able to snap that in place. Like that. And then that will slide in, and I can click it in and lock it in place. There we go. And the second drive will go in just like that. So this is the quick, kind of unboxing overview of the hardware aspect of it. I'm going to be doing more videos on this. My plan for this is to turn this into a backup for my main Synology 918 Plus NAS. And I'm also, my plan is to have this installed at a different house, and I'll connect to it utilizing a wireless system. So if you're interested in any of that, keep watching for new videos. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll get notified when those are put out. So, because it might be a while before I get it all set up. But if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching. Bye.